What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And from the title down below, I don't know what kind of video about one. Yeah. So remember, guys, like this video, share this video, subscribe, and don't leave comments. So from the title, you know what I'm about. It's all about the my body
Challenge, guys. Challenge.
So
Each of us will wear with a blindfold, right? And then we'll use your tongue. With tongue, guys, we tell which part of the body we have to touch, and you see me? See if we really know each other, then type of way. You see me? So it is called the Lick My Body Challenge. Now me, so let me go first this time, so I go first. You see me? And people grow, we mature, it's for mature people. You know what I mean? So big up on yourself.
PG-13. If you never wanted a challenge, you know, you never want it. How many finger?
Huh?
How many finger?
I think you may have.
How many finger? Oh, let me see an answer. So you ready?
Yeah. Well, man. Ready?
I'm going to phone.
Yeah.
I'm going to phone. Push back that. You have 4 attempts.
Do it again.
Lang out your tongue.
Bilnas.
Lang out.
Do that? I got it. So far, I may not know. So go on again. Go on again.
Lang out your tongue. Come na.
I feel like a thumb.
Wrong.
I feel like a thumb.
Wrong.
What?
Yeah, one more try.
Don't move it. Go on, man.
Wrong. You give up?
Yeah, give up. Elbow.
My elbow. My time.
Your time. Alright.
Guys, the video you can the head that will kind of cut off and so.
You ready?
Show the camera where I make the lick.
Hold on, man. You ready?
Yeah.
Lang mo na tongue.
You show the camera where?
Yeah, lang mo.
Your lip,
No.
your chin.
Oh, lang mo na tongue. Come naman.
Oh, yeah. Alright, come on. Ay, your tongue.
No.
Being wet.
No. You have 2 more. Go again?
Yeah.
Ayun.
Ay, your tongue.
No.
You feel rough, Billy.
No. Go again?
Yeah.
Last chance, people. Go na. Go na natin naman. Mosquito now.
Anali just say it.
No, you're wrong.
No, wait,
You're wrong.
Baby.
Nose.
You know what?
No.
You feel wet.
I want it to already. Nose.
Alright, go on.
Eye time. Alright. No, wait. Alright.
Ready?
Let me fix this there. Alright. Come in now.
Wait, may I show the people in.
Yeah, show them.
Lang out your tongue.
You don't have to say it too much time, Miss Lena.
When I feel it,
No.
if I lang out your tongue, you will feel it. Come.
Yes.
How you feel? I mean, you're cheating, huh?
No.
You're cheating.
No.
How you know say
Your
I
ears. You know what I know, your ears. So people, Me a lead on this. Team,
Oh, you know, sir.
hashtag
Tell
team
me how you
down
know it.
below. Cause I know it, people. I know. You see me? Alright.
You show the video?
Yeah. Alright.
You ready?
Yeah. I want it.
Hear it.
Come on.
One more time. Aya elbow.
No.
One more.
Come on. But I don't know people. Come on. Last chance. Where? Where?
Your hand, something for your hand.
Yeah, my hand, but where? Where on my hand?
In your wrist.
Yeah, my wrist. Yeah.
Ooh, I
Yeah.
got it.
My wrist.
Let me know body parts, people.
Nah, for me, no. So, 1-1.
Yeah.
Alright. Ready?
I took a push it down.
You need a bit.
Alright. Bring to 15 minutes or 16.
Ready?
Hold on.
Alright, people.
Ready? What you gonna do? What you gonna do, Billy? You show the camera?
Yeah, come on.
What you doing?
No.
What you gonna do?
Come on.
Ow! Your leg. Ew. Ew. He's a leg. Ah. You run down without the camera.
Oh, I'm too sure what I want to people, you think? Golly, skeptic, you know. So, alright, come. Alright,
Ready?
yeah. Which part? Ready? Fine. Finger.
Which part on my finger?
The tip of your finger?
Wrong. Which part on my finger?
Knuckle.
Right. See camera? Nice.
Alright, come now. Ready?
Yeah. Hold
Sure?
on. Let's go.
Sure?
Yeah. Yes.
Right, now we go.
This easy.
What?
One more time.
What?
One more time.
Alright.
You feel it by your eyebrow to your eye. Ew.
Where?
You feel the eyebrow.
Where?
Your eyebrow, your eye up to your eyebrow.
My eye, not my eyebrow, my eye.
You touch your eyebrow first and you go down for your eye.
I can't see that one. Eye though.
Your eye.
That's catching people. Alright.
Ready?
I'm tired. Come on. Yeah, I laugh a little bit.
Go. Let go the tongue. You see? Are you see?
No, come on.
Make sure you don't smell nothing in there.
Come on. Your arm.
You better reach there yet. Better reach.
Your arm.
Okay, you smell it for the first time.
No, if I miss it smell, you should have just play the game. You talk about smell. I never pick up it.
You don't get it.
Your
Stand
arm, do your arm, people. Your arm. You talk about smell the green, arm green. My eyes
Ready?
mm.
Remember to show the camera what you're gonna let me test out.
Ready?
Yeah, we have to take off.
You ready?
Yeah.
One.
You did it.
No.
Your breast.
Go on. Come on. Come on.
We have to.
Come on. Come on.
We have to go. Ready?
Yeah.
Elijah.
Come on. Chop.
Ah, mercy. Go, wait.
Come on.
Go, alright, go. We went on this man.
Yeah, that one.
Look, just the end of the video.
Yes, come on.
Did I say it quickly?
No, I jump saying.
Me feel like woman something.
Come here, go say me to try and show ya. Alright, people.
Ready?
Go.
We have 5 minutes or so.
So about 3 more parts.
No, we don't do that part.
I'm telling you, cool. Come on. Hey?
You feel it? Yeah, you tired. Don't behind.
Come, your time. So we have 2 more.
Yeah.
Alright. Ready?
No. Get me kind of spicy.
Ready?
Ready?
Put on this. Yeah. Straighten it on. Even sweet kind of smart. Ready?
You show the camera.
Yeah, long time.
Don't play with me. Don't play with me now.
Alright, you ready? Sure?
Oh!
Come on.
What is that?
Wait, come on.
One more now.
Ready again? Easy cheesy, yeah.
Your finger.
Weird, which part? Eh?
Your finger.
Wait, pan finger, some finger.
The tip of your finger.
One again.
The tip of your finger.
No. One again. Now what's the tongue now? Yeah, man. Tongue carry do.
One more time.
Bend up your tongue. Now the tongue.
Here's your finger.
No, my fingernail.
Ew.
Fingernail, people. Fingernail. So, we have one more for this. Alright, guys. Just one more. The space kind of. Small. So that's it.
We are eat.
Side.
Wrong.
The tongue.
Wrong.
Ready?
Wrong.
Go again. The side.
Wrong. Reverse.
I'm the first one there. So,
Alright.
oh gosh, guys. Okay.
Alright, we had 16 minutes, so
One more after this.
last one, and that's it.
Alright.
Ready?
Yeah.
Show the camera.
Come on, man, stop talking about show camera. Come on. Now let down.
Ew! That's not salt. It's salt. One more time. Your face.
No.
your neck.
Yeah.
Taste the cologne.
Alright, last one, people. Alright. Ready? Your tongue.
Wrong.
Oh, yeah. No, man, we can't move it so fast, man. I'm gonna this time. Oh, fuck. No, yo, no, play. No, play. Yo.
I want to go to
No, man.
You'll have 20.
No, man. People, and it's spicy and nice. You see me, so comment down below in the comment section what you guys think. You know what I mean? Share your views on it. Tell me if you like it.
Give me 300 likes on this video.
Yeah. Tell me
300
if you
likes,
like it.
100 comments, and please guys, may I ask you to do me a favor, subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe. People.
That is the most important
Sorry,
thing.
watching that some people are watching video them and I appreciate that, but
Yeah.
still need the support. by
We
you
need the
subscribing.
subscribers. So
You see me? So please.
subscribe.
Yeah.
If you enjoyed this video, just subscribe so you can see
I'll push
more.
out a part 2 for me. You see?
Comment and leave your thoughts in the comment section. And if
Yeah.
you want to do a video, you can send
Yeah, you can recommend your video ideas to
yeah, you
us.
can
Comment
leave your,
down below
your video ideas.
video ideas and we can with the here for with the here for please.
And anything you
entertain
want
us.
to collab with us, you
Just
can
give a shout out, man.
email us or you can DM us on Instagram. My Instagram is the term Levy.
Mine is Juna Jenna. This is me, and on Facebook is Juna Bell.
And my Facebook is Kavian Levy.
Yes,
and we have a
yes.
couple Instagram page as well, which is
Clive.Kavian forever.
so you guys can
Just
follow us on Instagram or personal page and our couple page, or you can follow us on Facebook. Like I said guys, if you want to do a collab with us, you can shoot us a DM and we will respond. And I just want to say thank you guys. We see the views them, but we not really see the subscribers. So I want to show out on the subscriber them and like the video and share the video. Tell us how we are going. Understand?
yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So
I'm your boy Billy, which is definitely silly.
and I'm your girl Kavian.
So until our next time, until our next video, bye, keep safe, peace.
And we're out.